Is your Adobe Creative Cloud acting up, crashing constantly, or just plain broken? Let's get you back on track by restoring Adobe Creative Cloud, fixing those frustrating software problems using a complete uninstallation then a fresh reinstall first and foremost. Before we do anything, make sure you have your Adobe account login and any required serial numbers handy, if necessary. This information will be needed during the reinstallation. Begin by closing all Adobe applications then, depending on your operating system, launch the uninstall process. For Windows, navigate to your control panel or settings, then find the Programs and Features or App section. And there you will look for Adobe Creative Cloud and all other Adobe applications. Select each Adobe application individually and click Uninstall. Follow the prompts for Mac users. Open Finder, go to Applications directory. Look for the Adobe Application folder of Adobe Creative Cloud and all other Adobe applications and drag each application to the trash. Proceed by opening Finder and going to Applications. Then looking for the Adobe Creative Cloud uninstaller. Open it and follow the instructions. Be patient. The uninstall process may take a few minutes. For each application, choose all options to remove your settings and preferences when prompted so everything will be restored back to the basics once all the applications are uninstalled. It's time to remove the Creative Cloud desktop app itself. You'll find the uninstaller again in the system settings for Windows or by simply dragging the Adobe desktop app to the trash for Mac users. Then, head to the Adobe website, search online Creative Cloud download. In your browser, locate the product that you purchased from Adobe and download the Creative Cloud desktop app installer for your operating system. Open the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen prompts to reinstall the Creative Cloud desktop app. Sign in with your Adobe account when prompted. Open the newly installed Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app and select and download the individual applications you need. Once all the applications are completely reinstalled, open them, and you should find them functioning as if they were brand new, ready to create and be used. If issues still persist, consult the Adobe support website. Otherwise, you're back in business.